If you don't like sweating in your car but still do, then watch this video to fix your Ford Escape's blower motor. If your Ford Escape's blower motor isn't working, don't sweat it. Here are some common issues and easy fixes. First, check the fuse. The blower motor fuse is usually found in the engine compartment or under the dashboard. If it's blown, replace it with a new one of the same rating. Next, look at the blower motor resistor. This part controls the fan speed. If your fan only works on one speed or not at all, the resistor might be the culprit. Swap it out with a new resistor from your local auto parts store. If those don't work, it's time to inspect the blower motor itself. It's located behind the glove box. Remove the glove box and check the motor for any signs of damage or wear. If it's faulty, replacing the blower motor should get your air flowing again. Finally, don't forget to check the wiring and connectors. Loose or corroded connections can stop the motor from working. Clean any corrosion and make sure all connections are tight. And there you have it. With these steps, your Ford Escape should be back to keeping you cool in no time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY car tips and tricks.